What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be making some chicken and rice. Really and truly, like, I don't have no groceries, and that's really all I have in my kitchen. So we're just gonna like whip something up real quick because I do not feel like walking to the cab, and I would rather just eat what's in my room. So let's go ahead and get into this video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell to stay notified when I post. Your girl is about to start back posting more content, so y'all stay on the lookout for that. Yeah, I was just playing the game, but I'm hungry, so I'm about to cook me something to eat. So if y'all coming, come on, let's go to the kitchen. So I literally have the chicken thawed out already. It was in the sink. I'm gonna do drumsticks, and this is the rice I'm gonna be using. I bought a big thing of rice and I went from the last time because, bro, I go through rice. Ooh, I go through rice so fast. This is a big thing. Like, look at my head. Come here to it. I'm gonna be using some lemon pepper seasoning, some onion powder, some paprika, a little slap your mama seasoning, complete seasoning, and I think that's it. Yeah, that should be it. I'm also gonna be using because I don't have any, excuse me, I don't have any chicken bouillon cubes, so y'all don't judge me because I'm a college student and I don't have transportation right now to go grocery shopping. So I'm gonna be using seasoning from these packets, so don't judge when y'all see me pouring it in there. But it's literally gonna be chicken flavor seasoning for the rice. So that's what I'm about to be doing. I'm not gonna really talk in this video. I just want y'all to see how I do it, and then y'all see me eat it at the end. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so it's mostly done. I'm just gonna let it sit for about like, yeah, 30 minutes. It's looking real good though. But yeah, I'm gonna let it sit for like 30 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and then it'll be time to feast. Maybe I'll let it sit up for about like 10 more minutes on low after like the 30 minutes are up. And then y'all see me try my chicken and rice. Alright, y'all, so I just tasted it. It tastes so good. As you can see, this piece right here, I wanted to make sure that chicken was, oh, it's hot. Make sure it was done. Ooh. It's so good. And that's what I'm on the game. Cause yeah, don't mind. Yes, I'm making a video. Nobody joined yet, but yeah, don't mind my headset, y'all. It broke, so I had to tape it up. But it's pretty good. I don't know. The meat tastes pretty done to me, but I don't really know. This is my first time making it. It's real hot though. The rice tastes really good. I'm gonna just let it sit for a couple more minutes. And I'm gonna let it sit on low. And yeah, it tastes really good, y'all. Like, I'm so proud of myself. But I'm gonna make the plate in like maybe 30 more minutes and then let y'all see how it looks on a plate and see my reaction to me eating it. So yeah, see y'all then. All right, so I just turned the stove off and this is the finishing look. I broke off pieces of the chicken to make sure it was done. That's why it looked like that. But now I'm about to make my plate and see what it's time at. I have my water with me. Now let's see what this meal is talking about. Father God, thank you for this food that we're about to see, that I'm about to receive, may it be a nurture to my body. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. The rice is good. It's a little mushy, like mushier than normal, but that's expected as long as it's been sitting in this pot. But it was good, for sure. This is my first time making a dish like this. And I actually really like it. Won't be the last. One thing about living like in college dorms, like I have roommates, but we don't really talk like that. So I really like always end up with extra food. One of my roommates, we on the volleyball team together, and I'll ask her from time to time if I have extra if she wants any, but she always say no. So I don't really ask her for real because I feel like she's gonna say no every time. But I asked her a few times, got the same response. Maybe she don't trust my cooking. Y'all, this chicken good. So that's really the end of this video. I hope y'all like this dish that I tried to make today for y'all. If y'all want to see more cooking videos, don't forget to comment down below. Tell me what y'all want to see me cook. I'll be more than happy to cook it for y'all. If you're new, don't forget to like this video. A little spicy. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that bell as well. That's really the end of this video. I thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.